Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to get unique units in anime adventures. The most effective and direct way to acquire these powerful characters is through the summoning system. You'll want to prioritize banners that feature limited time or event-exclusive units, as these often provide the best opportunities. Saving your in-game currency, like gems, for these specific events is crucial to maximize your chances of success and build a strong roster. To truly optimize your summoning strategy, make sure you're consistently gathering all available in-game currency. This means completing your daily and weekly quests without fail, as they often reward a significant amount of gems. Additionally, always participate in any ongoing events. These events frequently offer bonus summoning tickets or currency, giving you even more chances to pull those highly sought-after unique units. A smart player understands the mechanics behind each banner. Always check the summon rates to know your exact chances for specific unique units. Many gacha games, including anime adventures, feature a pity system. Tracking your summons can help you predict when a guaranteed unique unit might appear. Focus your efforts on banners that offer units which significantly improve your current team composition or fill a crucial role. Remember, consistent effort and smart resource management are your best friends in anime adventures. Regularly playing and saving your currency will yield the best long-term results for acquiring unique units. Don't forget to engage with the community. Other players often share valuable strategies and insights. And hey, while you're building your ultimate team, why not upgrade your home? Check the description for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to keep your space spotless.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.